Kelly Khumalo caught on camera trying to seduce judge live in court during her testimony. Subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss out on any information. In an unprecedented and controversial turn of events, South African singer Kelly Khumalo has found herself at the center of a media storm after what many described as a shocking and inappropriate moment during her testimony in a court case. The pop singer, who is no stranger to controversy, was reportedly caught on camera trying to seduce the judge live in court, leaving onlookers and the audience stunned. Khumalo was initially in court to give evidence in a high-profile case involving the death of her former partner, Senzo Maiwa, a beloved football star who was tragically murdered in 2014. The trial received significant media attention due to its many twists and turns. The case turns, with Khumalo, who was present in the house at the time of Maiwa's murder, acting as a key witness. Given the seriousness of the case, emotions ran high in the courtroom as Khumalo took her stand, with the press and public alike scrutinizing her every word. As she spoke, her voice trembled with emotion as she recounted the painful events of that fateful night, and the room was filled with an air of somber contemplation. However, it was not her words that would catch the public's attention, but rather her behavior during testimony. As Khumalo testified, the focus suddenly shifted from the case itself to an unusual interaction between the singer and the judge. Eyewitnesses in the courtroom later recounted a series of actions that seemed to indicate that Khumalo was deliberately trying to attract the judge's attention, although the exact motives remain unclear. According to multiple sources, at some point during the testimony, Khumalo was seen leaning forward in her seat, making prolonged eye contact with the judge and subtly adjusting her posture. At times, she appeared to be smiling coyly in the judge's direction, and there were moments when her body language suggested overt flirtation. This act did not go unnoticed by anyone present in court, and cameras quickly captured this exchange. The footage was quickly shared on social media, leading to widespread debate over whether Khumalo's actions were appropriate, or whether they crossed the bounds of expected courtroom decorum. Video of Khumalo's actions went viral almost immediately, sparking a wave of reactions from the public, legal professionals, and even celebrities. Some of Khumalo's supporters have argued that the singer's behavior has been misinterpreted, suggesting that her actions may have been innocent or the result of stress in the tense environment in the courtroom. Kelly Khumalo is often misunderstood. One fan wrote on Twitter, "She is under a lot of pressure, and maybe the smiles and looks are just a way to calm herself or cope with the stress of being on stage." However, others were less tolerant. Many commentators viewed her actions as inappropriate for such a serious situation, arguing that they undermined the seriousness of the court proceedings. "This is not a date," one legal expert said. He added, "Regardless of her intentions, Khumalo's behavior is out of place in the courtroom and could have serious consequences for the outlook of the case." Some even suggested that her behavior could trigger a judicial review, questioning whether it violated the ethical boundaries between witness and judge. While it is not clear whether any formal complaint will be filed, the spectacle of this moment certainly caused significant disruption to the case,